Good day everyone. Today I want to explore the question many have asked. Is fame really worth it? We live in a world where being famous is the ultimate dream. Whether it's a celebrity, influencer, sports star. Fame is linked to money, success, admiration and existing lifestyle. Social media is filled with people chasing fame, boasting, performing, trying to go viral. But is it truly as nice as it seems? Let's start with the positives. Fame can open doors. It can bring financial freedom, travel opportunities and influence. Famous people can use their voice to make a difference in the world. Supporting important causes, inspiring others and bringing attention to issues that matter. But we often don't see the pressure that comes with fame. Fame means consistently being in the spotlight. Every movie we make is watched, judged and talked about. There's very little room for mistakes, and the world can be cruel. Just think about how quickly the internet cancels someone about a photo or comment. The pressure can affect a person's mental health. Also, fame often comes with the cost of privacy. Imagine not being able to go to the grocery store, the movies, or even on holiday without being followed or watched. Some celebrities have even said they feel trapped in their own lives. They have everything yet still feel alone. And let's not forget, fame doesn't last forever. What happens when the spotlight fades? Some people struggle with losing attention and end up feeling lost, especially if their identity is in being famous. So, is fame really worth it? In my opinion, no. Not if it means sacrificing my peace and my privacy and my mental well-being. Sure, fame can bring benefits, but it also brings challenges that many people aren't prepared for. True happiness comes from doing what you love and being surrounded by the people you care about and staying true to yourself, not from being famous. Thank you.